I'm so happy to show you guys this DIY. But like seriously, y'all are going to love it, love it, love it, love it. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ashleigh here, and today we are going to be doing a super cool DIY. Let me just say, I'm like really excited to show you guys this DIY. But before I get into what it is, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you hit the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. And our DIY for today, I know you already saw it because that's why you clicked on the little thumbnail, but we're going to be doing burlap and cotton ball wreaths. So the main big thing to me is this cotton ball wreath, because literally everything is from the dollar store. Like everything is from the dollar store except for the B, the wooden letter B. I got that from Walmart and it was like $1.47 minus tax. And then of course my paint that I'm using. That was from Walmart as well, and you get that for 50 cents. The one that I actually use, the one that I show in the materials, that's from AC Moore, and that was like 88 cents. But both of them were under $1. So, anyways, I'm like super excited. I really want to just stop talking, which I am, because I can ramble on for days. And let's get into our DIY, and we're gonna start with our materials. So for our materials, you're gonna need wreaths, flowers, potpourri, cotton balls, Spanish moss, burlap ribbon, lace ribbon, glue gun, scissors, wooden letter, acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. Okay, so now we're going to take our cotton balls and then we're going to take some potpourri and we are going to start to construct our cotton balls. So how we're going to do this is you're just going to dump out your potpourri and you're going to choose whichever petal or spice that looks similar to the leaves that you would see on a cotton stem, and then we're going to start to glue those right onto the cotton ball. Okay, so now we're going to take our wreath, our flowers, and our cotton balls, and we're going to start to create our wreath. So now we're going to take our wooden letter B and we're going to use our paint and we're just going to start to paint it. All right, so now we're moving on to the burlapped wreath, and what we're going to do is we are going to start to construct our bow. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold your sides in to the middle, and then you're just going to take your fingers and pinch straight down the middle to create your actual bow. Now, just to spruce up our bow just a little bit, we are going to add the lace to it. Okay, so now we're going to take our burlap and we're just going to start to wrap half of this wreath. Okay, so I'm just going to take this moment to tell you guys that you can totally do this project with larger wreaths. I was going to do them with the larger wreaths, but my Dollar Tree did not have them in stock. So I just was like, I'm just going to use the small ones because I'm not going to go around the world looking for a bigger wreath. So you can totally do these with the bigger wreaths, but I'm just doing it with these smaller ones. And it actually worked out perfectly because it fit right into the tobacco baskets that I have in my kitchen. So everything worked out. Alright guys, so we are all finished with our DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I was so excited to show it to you guys. But if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.